Hi, Ponwerk speaking. As you can see, I currently have a passive vertical open air setup, and during the winter it's fine. This is in a uninsulated garage attic, but during the summer it gets really hot and I lose hash rate. So I want to go to a rack-based system to better control the airflow. So I have to make one. And I'm making the framing out of wood because it was free. And obviously it's not finished. And I'm also making custom cases to save money. Because if I were to buy, let's say, Octaminer cases or something, that would be like $7,000 just to house all the cards. And I'd rather use that money on something else. And I don't care too much about precision, as you can see. And I also have a weird shape. And why that is, I will come back to at a later time. And the whole point of this particular setup is to have the rigs only pull air from the first floor, which is colder. And currently we can't see the other floor because it's covered by this shower curtain that I experiment with as an air filter, but it's too restrictive, so I need to use something better. So it's kind of a room in a room. And the front will be closed off with a airtight door. And the sides is obviously airtight as well, and the roofing. Just simple plastic. So let's close off the front and go below. And as you can see, it gets pulled up because the fans want so much air. And I currently have it open on this side, or else the cards would get really hot because not enough air gets in. And here we can see the draft. So they need a lot of air. And there we can see inside. And you can see how the cloth gets pulled in by the fans. It's quite a lot actually. So let's have a look at the back. And here is some foam I'm experimenting with for sound dampening. And as you can see, I'm exhausting the air straight into the attic. And how well that will work when the weather gets warmer remains to be seen. And I will be back with updates on that. And also how I make the cases. And I use a quite unusual system. So this case, these 4 cases is one system. So the top one is only the motherboard. The second is the PSUs. And then you have GPU 1 and 2 I also use a unusual power distribution system. There I use bus bars for the 12 volts. So this is negative, this is positive, and it's insulator. So that's quite special. So I guess that's all I have for now. See you soon. You see me soon, maybe.